Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS launcher. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and allow. Finally, click Home button. Over here you need to tap on iOS launcher, select Remember My Choice, tap on OK in the pop-up and just got it. And after that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, scrolling down and selecting Apps. Then click on Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Over here select Default Apps and click on Launcher. If you wish to select your system launcher, tap on it and go back. But if you wish to switch to iOS one, click on iOS and go back as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!